This is not blowing towards us.
Let's see if it picks up again.
Ah, here it goes.
I wonder if we're gonna lose any of the.
He goes looking too. Hey.
There it goes. Whoa.
Hugo, look.
What the heck? Should we get away from the window? You can't see anything
I
outside.
know.
It's just white. I'm really happy I'm not out. We probably should get away from the window, if I'm being honest. Whoa.
I'm kind of worried about my what?
About your what?
Oh, my car. I don't know. Someone might fall on it. I'm parked right underneath the tree.
Gosh dang. What is that? Why does it keep going in and out? I really hope those are some tough trees.
Yeah.